Good morning and welcome to a new video. Today we are at Revs and Relics up in Maltby.
Yeah, and we've come for a breakfast, bit of a trek, and we've not come on the bikes, but it looked a great biking destination.
It's freezing today, -1 today.
-1, snow on the motorway. Hey, what do you reckon that Ducati is there, Carol?
Some great limited edition prints.
Yeah, that's the great man. It's Rossi. How many times has that been signed?
Yeah, all sorts. Yeah. Jenny Timmuth.
Hey, do you like the tyres for the wash basin? Look.
That's cool.
Telephone box.
See the sign above the door?
Sorry?
For U2P.
Ah, yeah. I love the coffee table there, Carol.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
2 breakfasts, babe.
Oh, lovely. Oh, brilliant. Cheers, thank you very much.
Thanks.
Cheers.
Cheers. Wow,
Lovely stuff.
that came out quick.
Yeah.
Right. What was your breakfast like?
Nice. Loads of bacon.
There was actually loads of bacon on that
Yeah,
breakfast.
it was
It was lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So, yes, breakfast recommended. Coffee's nice. And we're going to go and have a look around.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, fab.
Wow, what a collection.
And then we've got a workshop through here. We're all perfect.
Oh, wow. Well, could you mind if I have a quick look while you... I don't want to wander around somebody's workshop unattended, but that's one of the dream bikes.
It
That
is. He said he likes carbs.
New Conrods. That's a big job, isn't it?
Yeah, they'll bend.
Really?
Wow.
How did he bend the Conrods then? Wow. That's an iconic bike,
It
Carol,
is,
that is.
yeah.
It's what we all dreamed of
Yeah.
as lads.
Yeah.
You could never afford. They were expensive at the time. Hey, is that an FS1E hiding down there? Is that an FS1E?
Yes, it's the DX model.
Ah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could say mine have got a drum.
Oh, it's just
Well,
200. Yeah,
Yeah,
sorry.
that's a 200.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
I
not
mean,
yours.
I had
Thought it was yours,
straight
but-
after the FS1E, I had the RD 250LC,
Yeah.
and obviously a couple of mates had got the 200 there.
Fabulous. Quite a collection. So these are all for sale then? Okay,
All
thank
right,
you very much.
appreciate it,
Cheers,
thank you.
Yeah,
All right,
quite,
cheers,
yeah.
Thank you.
We will do, yeah,
right,
thank
will
you.
do.
The haze of blue smoke in here. I'm not quite sure where it's come from, but
We've got a Fantic in here as well, look.
yeah.
He's got all sorts, hasn't he? Is that's one of the bikes that they use for paratroopers, isn't it? They dropped them out of airplanes during the war.
box, yeah.
I think that's what they were for.
Yeah.
Honda. That looks a bit like the old C50 and C70 frames, but
Yeah.
without the fairings on it. Did you see yourself on a Honda Chally?
Yeah, all right. Send it to the shops, wouldn't it?
the
A
shop,
box on
yeah.
it.
It's a Guzzi. GT500.
Got to be close together, haven't they?
Hey, an old
Katana.
Katana there,
yeah.
Look how low those bars are. Do you reckon they're extra low bars on there?
Yeah, that's not
Gotta be,
standard, is
yeah.
it? For
some reason this GT 380 has got its rear foot peg under the seat strap.
Ah. Okay, that's obviously what needs fixing.
I'm guessing the bolt's fallen out.
Yeah. Got so much stuff here though, haven't
Yeah,
they?
they have, yeah.
I'm amazed. Let's go upstairs first.
Yeah, go on.
While it's quiet. There's no radio over here anyway,
No
so
radio,
that's good.
Which is good.
So you could...
It's just like an Aladdin's cave, isn't it?
It's absolutely Aladdin's cave, yeah.
Oh, let's have a look upstairs first. This place is brilliant.
Chopper. Motorcycle magazines you used to read when you were in the 70s.
Motorcycle.
What's that?
I don't say.
Well, 1967, that's probably a bit early even for you.
Yeah. Hey, you've got a proper chopper. I mean, just look at all the signs and...
Well, lots of it's for sale.
Yeah.
It really is quite a collection of stuff though, isn't it?
Triton tank. It's a big tank, that is, isn't it?
It is, yeah, get some in there.
Mr. Barry Sheen. Get a Revs and Relics t-shirt.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'd love some of this memorabilia on the wall.
Yeah, it's fab, isn't it?
Set up a whole man cave, couldn't you?
Well, yeah, you'd have this room.
I'd
wouldn't
have
you?
this room
With
as
a
a
big
man
sofa.
cave, yeah, with a sofa and a TV on the wall.
That's it. So Garelli.
Garelli, yeah. That's what I need for the garage, one of these little...
It's nice actually, yeah. It's pumping out a bit of heat, isn't it?
I think it's connected to that, so that might be fuel in there.
You reckon?
Feeding the little it's a little diesel heater, yeah.
Ah.
What we got hiding there? Honda, is that a CM or GM 250?
CM.
CM. Up for £1,000. A few Triumphs. Oh, that's quite nice as well, isn't it?
Yeah. Got some
Honda
great stuff,
XL
haven't they?
350. I'd love something like that for bombing around the trails.
Yeah, you get done bombing around the trails around us.
Oh, I could probably get arrested, wouldn't I? Harley hiding
Harley
in
in
the
the
back.
corner.
Yeah,
Someone very good at parking's managed to get them all very close together.
that's the trouble when you've short a room.
Yeah.
You cram them in, don't you?
Yeah.
And what we got this side?
Little Yamaha in the corner.
Yeah,
What's the black one? What is that?
I'm not entirely sure. CF Moto, I think.
Alright.
That's a Chinese bike in here.
Like he says, he likes anything. He likes any bike.
Yeah,
So he
yeah.
ain't fussy, I think.
We've got a few Superbikes
Got
here.
some nice Superbikes, yeah.
Yeah. Ducati 900 Senna.
Yeah.
£6,000.
Well, I've got low bars on that. Look at that.
Oh, to kill me riding that. Absolutely kill me riding that. Nice BMW S1000.
Very
RR.
smart, yeah.
In fact, there's got a couple of them.
Yeah. Classic colours.
Yeah, that's the best colours, isn't it? I like
Amazing
it.
place.
I like it.
Amazing place. It's,
You could turn up here on a nice day on your motorbike.
yeah, there's so much more stuff here than
Yeah.
I thought there would be though.
Yeah.
Really, really worth a visit.
Hey, that one's got, look, two different size rear sprockets.
So how's that
it's
work
got,
then?
Got one for like off-roady, the
Oh, I
bigger
see.
sprocket. You drop the chain onto the
When you're on the
small one.
road.
And how would you take all the slack out of it though? That's
Right.
odd, isn't it?
God knows.
I don't know how you do that, but I've never seen that before. It's a bit like the big derailleurs on the back of a push bike.
Yeah.
You know how the,
yeah.
But I
You've
don't
got
know
the
how
three,
you
haven't you?
remove the slack.
Yeah. But how does it remove the slack on the push bike? It has a thing, doesn't it?
It's got
It goes
a
round.
wiggly
Like
thing
Z
it goes
things
round,
it
yeah.
goes round, doesn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Which it doesn't seem
I
to have.
don't know.
Unless it's all in there somewhere.
If anybody can tell me how
That works. Yeah. I'd be fascinated.
in the comments below,
Yeah.
please. Yeah.
Interesting.
And that's on a
little
Garelli
bike. What's that
Junior
there?
Cross. I don't know.
Some sort of oiler.
I think that's for fixing your tyres because it's for rally. It's like off-roading.
Right.
So I guess that's for
Yeah.
fixing it and blowing your tyre back up. I think.
Fascinating. Not seen one of them before.
Yeah. Made in Italy.
Yeah.
That'll confuse you as well. Look, the gears
that?
on the right.
Oh dear, no chance, no chance, no chance. There's so much could go wrong there.
Yeah, you're bound to crash the gears, aren't you? Ooh.
Some of the floors
Yes.
a bit.
See, Peugeot don't just make cars.
Yeah, if that was their
Scooter.
efforts at bikes, I think they should stick to cars.
Yeah.
So in the summer they've got some outdoor seating there as well.
They have, yeah.
Quite big outdoor seating.
Yeah. So you can
It's
come in
really
the summer.
nice. It's a really nice setup.
I like it.
Yeah.
It's got really busy since we arrived.
Yeah, it's so friendly as well.
I know. It's absolutely brilliant in there.
Yeah, can't believe how much
yeah.
stuff you got in there.
Where are you from?
We've come up from Ashby de la Zouch today, so
Yeah,
we're right at the
Leicestershire.
motorway. So
So,
yes.
but,
Well, now you know where we are.
yeah,
We do.
absolutely.
Well,
We'll
we
be
know
on the
where to come
bikes
on the
next
bikes
time. We'll
next
come
time.
on the bikes in the summer when it's a bit
Yeah, we
warmer.
really-
You have a yard down East City, those benches and stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, it'd be
yeah,
nice.
I've
We've
just-
just seen
I've
it.
just poked my
Yeah,
camera in there,
yeah, it'd be
so,
perfect. Do you get quite a lot of bikers come in the summer and that? Busy.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah.
I bet.
No, it's really good.
No, it's a proper place
Proper
to come in.
destination.
I like this time of year.
All right.
All right.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
All
to
right,
meet you.
Cheers.
All right. Cheers.
Oh, sorry. Where are you going? I'm going out.
All right,
Thank
we're
you.
off out.
Cheers.
Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed a quick look round Revs and Relics.
Yeah, definitely worth a visit.
Really recommend dropping by this place.
Very, very friendly group of people.
Hopefully on a day when you can come on your bike.
Yes,
-cause it is
-1.
-1.
-1.